Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today I got another budget mod for you. Quick and easy, doesn't cost a whole lot, and I think it looks pretty sharp. So stick around, maybe you can put this to use on your own. We're going to throw some of these super high-end LED, cheapest eBay had to offer headlights in this thing. I also need to do the fog lights. We'll see what's involved with those, but yeah, we're going to give this a whirl. I've never messed with these LEDs. I've ran some of the HIDs back in the day, and seen a lot of people using these, so I figured I'd give them a whirl here. If I can get this thing out of here. Good Lord. Holy buckets, that thing's in there. Well, I don't want to break the damn thing, but geez, even the connector won't come unplugged. Oh, there we go, got the connector. Holy. That thing is in there. Good Lord. Let's take a look at these things. Yeah, that looks like a headlight bulb. So LED ones, if you haven't seen these things before, pretty much just like a normal bulb. It does have a little cooling fan and some fins on the back, but otherwise a heck of a lot simpler than the HIDs back in the day that had the external box and all that junk. Plug looks right. So I'm gonna fiddle with this thing and hopefully not break it. I'm not going to bore you with that. We'll come back when I get it out of there. Alright, well, I had to resort to using some pliers. Really didn't want to, but those little gaskets on here were basically baked onto the headlight, so they came out. Anyway, should be just as simple as twisting this guy in here. There we go. And we'll give the plug here. Good tight there. Let's get the other one in. They don't give you a whole lot of room to work in these things, but at least I don't have to pull the bumper and all that to put headlight bulbs in. Well, get in there. There we go. Simple as that. Hopefully we'll flip the switch here, see what they look like. Dang. Well, I like that. Need to do something about these headlights for sure. Those things are nasty. But yeah, that's way better than them stock bulbs for sure. Nice. And you hear the little fans running. That's kind of funny. Yeah, that one's running too. Well, we'll have to wait till I get it out on the road and kind of see the output wise, but color wise, that looks a heck of a lot better. I'm liking that. Real similar to the HIDs, but hopefully not as blinding for people. We'll get these fog lights done next and keep rolling here. Alright, well, I'm hoping I can sneak up under here somewhere and get to this bulb. I know both of them don't work. I haven't tested it, so I'm really hoping it's just the bulbs. I'm guessing with 200,000 they burned out a long time ago. Nobody bothered to change them, so hopefully we'll see. Either way, I got some new bulbs to go in it, and if that's not it, we'll track down the issue, but let me get up in here, hopefully. There's an opening. Yes, sir. Oh, is that the whole bulb? Nope, that's just the connector. Well, how does that come out? Whoops. There's part of it. Oh, these are probably going to be like the headlights, just baked in here. And I can feel it wiggle. All right, we'll come back to it. Let me get some tools. Oh, it's going to fight me. That's wrecking my back. You'd think I had to use the lift or something, but yeah. All right. I'm not going to sit here and bore you with this. I'm going to fiddle with it, get them out. I'll bring you back when I get to it. Well, I haven't even got these things installed yet. Obviously, I get the old ones out. Doesn't help when you bust the clips off. But take a look at these alien-looking things. How cool is that? Got a row of LEDs down there, a row up towards the top, and then it even has some more in there. These things ought to be crazy bright. So we'll get them put in. That thing doesn't look burnt out, but yeah, we'll find out. We'll get them put in, see what these things look like. Well, that was the problem. Both the bulbs didn't work. Those things are crazy bright. I know it's hard to tell on camera, but maybe I'll run this thing outside. That's just the fog lights. Maybe I'll run this thing outside and get a little test up against the dark wall there and see what we look like. All right, well, there it is. I know that's not a great example, but that's with it. Just on the low beams with just the headlights on. That's with the fog lights on. And of course that's high beams and it kicks the fog lights off, but overall I'm pretty happy with that. See if it doesn't just blind the camera. Not bad. Inexpensive little mod that I like to do on these things. Yellow film. You can get it anywhere. Get it on eBay. I picked this up on eBay, just like I said, pretty inexpensive. It's a lot like window tint, just a little bit thicker, and gives it a little different look. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this stuff on. I got plenty of extra in case I mess it up, which I most likely will do. It's again, like I said, kind of like doing window tint, but I'm doing it out here in the drive at work, so hopefully this works out. I should probably put down some soapy water or something to let this stuff slide around a little bit, but like I said, I got plenty extra, so we're just gonna go for it here. Hopefully that's close. It is not. Yeah, I may need to work it a little bit with the heat gun because it is bubbling pretty bad, which I expected on a domed lens like this. And I got it off center. Boy, that looks like crap. Well, like I said, good thing I got plenty extra. I may try fiddling around with it. Well, I'll go ahead and probably end up redoing these, but you get the idea. Stand back a little bit here. Like I said, gives it a little bit different look for extremely cheap. A few minutes of work if you do it right the first time. Of course, like I said, I'll probably end up ripping these off. because I got some wrinkles in there. I may play around with the heat gun, but that, and I got this one off center pretty good. But a few dollars, a few minutes of time, pretty cool look for it. Alright guys, well, that'll do it for this one. Like I said, real quick, cheap, easy mod, my favorite kind. So, I hope you enjoyed that one. Like I said, maybe you can put it to use on your own vehicle. It can be found, all over the internet, eBay, Amazon, wherever, and pretty inexpensive. So, if you enjoyed the video, if you found it useful, definitely give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you like the looks of it, if you hate it, can't stand it, too ricer for you, whatever it may be. I think it looks sharp. I've done it on vehicles before, and always really thought it was a neat one for as inexpensive as it is. So that'll do it for this one. I appreciate you hanging out with me, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.